Hey folks, Surveyor Chef here, Minne-Florida living, and today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed mushrooms. Alright, first thing is pick good mushrooms. So I got these white button mushrooms. See how the inside of the mushroom is tight all the way to the stem? That's what you want to see. If it's pulled away or brown looking, those are bad mushrooms. So look for that. Also, cremini mushrooms work really good on this recipe, but I got some white buttons today. So first thing, just work your hand here and pull the stem out. And we'll save the caps to the side here and we'll chop up the stems. So I'll pull all these stems out. Alright, so we got all of our stems cleaned from the caps of the mushrooms. And I'll show you how to chop these up, because we're going to incorporate the stems into the stuffing of the mushroom. So what I like to do is just hold it on the edge here and just slice them really thin, about as thin as you can get them. Alright, now we got the mushrooms all sliced, we're going to chop them up real fine. So there you have it. You can see the kind of the consistency of the mushroom here. They're just kind of some nice small pieces. We'll just throw these in the bowl here. We'll use those for part of our stuffing. Next part is 2 cloves of garlic. So these are 2 whole cloves of garlic. This one has the skin on, so I'm just going to give it a quick smash. Quick smash. Pull the skin off. Let's give these a rough chop, and then I'll make them into a paste. Alright, once you have your garlic kind of nice and diced like this, add just like half a teaspoon of salt, and then use your knife, the back of your knife, and the salt will work as an abrasive to kind of break the garlic down, and we'll use it as a paste in the stuffing. Scrape that up. See that nice paste consistency of the garlic? Beautiful. We'll put that right in the bowl. Alright. So there we have our mushroom and our garlic here. I'm just going to kind of stir this up. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Get the shredded stuff, folks. Don't get the floor dry stuff. This is way better. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Since we already had salt in the garlic, we'll just do pepper now. So probably about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 4 or 5 cranks on your pepper grinder. Mix that up. And now for the binder. A lot of people add breadcrumbs, and I don't like my mushrooms all kind of doughy and bready, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil here. We'll start with like a teaspoon of olive oil. And once it looks like it's all stirred up really nice, kind of give it I call it the spoon test. So I just kind of press it in there, just like that. That's perfect, because we need it to stick into the mushrooms. Alright, we got our filling made. Alright, just like that, we'll get a pan and we'll get these babies in the oven. Alright, we got our mushrooms stuffed. I'm just going to take a little bit of olive oil in a 9-inch pie pan. Put about a teaspoon of oil in there, and then just take one of your mushrooms and kind of just work the oil all over the pan. Alright, just like that. We'll put these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Alright, here we go. These mushrooms have been in the oven for about 20 minutes. We'll take a peek at them. And they look beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? The cheese is melted. The mushrooms have kind of broken down. We'll grab one out here and take a little quick peek at it. Give her a little slice. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Garlicky stuffed mushrooms. This has been the Surveyor Chef with Minne-Florida Living. Enjoy the good life.